So good day. Um, I'll be teaching you how to make use of project, just like the script on the website, how to run it. So you are going to click on. I'll send this project. Um, yeah, PP. Just copy it. So clicking on the image here. You're clicking on the image here. You will have the chance to change the image to the project you are building. So so let's just select an image. So you can change the application name. I mean, make use of Sunshine VTU. Yeah, I can change the color. I think the brand color is red. So this one also I can change to red. So to know the meaning of this color, we have color primary dark. So you know where each is working. The color accent, if you check very well, you see it's working with the inner app, the web view page. Yeah. For example, if you want to buy data, the button that will be showing you under the select data plan, it will be the color. So the color primary, though we don't, most app we don't enable this color primary. Yeah, it's not that necessary. Just make the app look so like it make the header so much, so you can just select red for everything. So that's this also, let's make it of red. So you click on save. You can see it has changed. So here also you can change the package name. Come dot sunshine. You can just sunshine VTU. Here also sunshine VTU. So here Google latest version code requested that all apps should be 14. So you have at least scrolling the version is after the other. So scrolling to 12, you see, click on save. You open it again to enable it to add more version. This is version 1.0. You can make the version 1.1. So version code is 14, and the app version name that will be showing on the app is version 1.0. So you just click on save. So that's for setting. And the app configuration, this is the two places that are very important here. Google requested that minimum SDK version should be what, 14, and the target SDK should be 34. That is, the minimum of SDK version should be 14. Yeah, 14 SDK version or more. Also, the target SDK must be 34 or more. Anything below 34 and 14, Google will reject the app. It will show the app is not compatible with their request. So we click on save. Then you will click to open the app. So here, this is how to import image. Yeah, the image here, you can't make use of it. For example, your client sends you an image for his brand. So you just select from here. Just select this one. So let me name it Sunshine Logo. Sunshine Logo. Add to my collection. Then I go back. So to change this logo, just click on it. Then you see an image option here. An image option. Immediately you click on it, there will be an option to edit. Don't worry, I will come to this test. But this image circle here, this image circle, you can also change this as well. Maybe you don't want it to be in circle form. The option is these are the tools for the view setting, for the view design. So to change this image, just click on the image here, and you click on the sunshine logo we uploaded, you select it, you can see it has changed. Also, welcome to PP, the test. You can see different options. So the test here, you can think welcome to sunshine. Welcome to sunshine VTU. So we can also change the text style. Maybe you want it to normal, I don't want it to be in a bold format. As you can see, you can also change it. Maybe you want to be italic, that is, should be in a slant format. As you can see, maybe you want to turn on bold and italic, maybe it should slant and be very bold. As you can see, so change. You can also change the color. Yeah, your brand color is red. Just let red. So this login also, the background is orange. So we need to change it to our brand color, which is uh, the background. Just select the button and click on background color, select red. Same is also applicable to the register button, the background color, select red. So don't forget to always save your project. This is the save option that look like a memory card. Save complete. You can see the option here. So you click on save. So after working on the mail.sml, we are also going to work on the login.sml. Here we are also going to change this logo. Just scroll here, you see image, and you change it to the image, the logo you uploaded. You can see it touching. Same thing with this forgot password, the color, let's change it to red. Change it. You can see this place is red, it's scrollable. Same thing with this login button, the text color. I think we don't need the text color. Yeah, the background color should be red. Also here, background color should be red. New user, the color, let's just leave it like this, but the create account, let's make use of red color. That we are going to make use of text because it's not having background. You can as well as background to it. Just click on background color, make you want to be black. You can see same thing also applicable to here, but adding a background color doesn't look very professional. So let's click on none, that is no color. So same thing with this, you can change it to red color, the text select the red. This one having background, you can change the background color maybe to blue, any of the color you wish to change to, or let's change it to arches. Okay, blue gray. I think it look very good now. So that's all about that's the two places you are working on the view section. Under the view, you are going to work on main.sml and login.sml. That is the two areas that we requested for view on the project. So now you will see main.html. That's the first page your user will visit. So under the first page, there are some activities going backend, just like a front-end developer and a back-end developer. So a front-end developer will design, while a back-end developer we also we configure everything with drag and drop here. Sketch makes use of drag and drop JavaScript. Graph, so also applicable to this one. To work on the view is very easy, but you see this event, it requires a lot of deep knowledge. So just click on event and create. You see the color we select here now. The color was selected, the background here is red. You also need to update it here because the backend developer, the event developer also configure it here. So we are going to select on red here. The initial color is this. Okay, the color is not even select. The initial color is this color. So we're going to select red option also. Red option. So the stroke color, like for example, let me show you sample. This login button now, it has a stroke, and you can also remove the stroke if you wish. So the stroke color, we want it to be white. Just click on where's the white? Okay, FFF. Also here, let's make use of FFF. So the stroke let me say the stroke size. Okay, maybe let's make it, I think 5 is very good, but I prefer to use 3. Some can make use of 10. Some can as well make use of 10. So the set corner radius, that is the edge of the button, maybe you want it to be around, or you want it to be in the 4 corner shapes, so you can as well set it here. Shade grab, you can as well set it here. So everything is, it's not something hard. Yeah. So here just work with the main view, the first page view. So you don't really need anything here. So this is the intent. This is what we call effect of intent. So the intent work under component. So we make use of intent to move a web view from one page to another. For example now, under this view, this register button, the intent we select under the component says that okay, this register button, after clicking on it, it will what, the context will be registration activities, which will bring us to this view, registration activities. And under these registration activities, we have on create, we have on start. So the register activity, we just start to load this registration page on the website also. So it's not something hard. So let me just, for example, because you need it very urgently. So we'll be working on web 2 activities, registration activities, login activities, and recover activities. The main activities is not something needed. Yeah, it's not something needed. Just for a, let me just say, it's just for a first page to control. Maybe it's a new user or a new a former customer. Yeah. So it's just for it to, for it just a page created for your user to decide. You see, some users start using your website before they know about your app. So coming to the application, we can't just say they should just come to registration page directly. No, we have to give them the option to select, maybe they will register or they will log in. So that's the effect of the main activities. So this main web 2 activities, on the on create, you go to your website. So I want to make the video not less than 20 minutes. I will leave this group today. So this is Sunshine VTU. My God. So I'll click on login. So I'll be just logging now. So this is the web activities on the project. Yeah, this is where most of the web activities is. That's the airtime, data, cable, electricity, MP transaction. So this is the web activities link. You just copy the link, then you go back. You will come here, you will delete everything and you paste your website home page link. Then you will go back. So the second one is registration activities. So you click on create also. Then let's log out. Oh my god. Same your website solo. So create account, that's also registration page. So you copy the link, you come down here, so don't forget to click on save whenever you are working. So let's look at the next line. That's the login activities. You click on it. So this login activities, you are going to work, you click on login here, the login page, you copy the link. So you come back here on create, you will change the link here to your website link or the project you're working on. And the import already just for executing. So you have to check all through. So we don't need the link. So here also we also control the what they call it, the login button, but you don't need to work on it. You see, you need to work on this. You see the login button, save login button. That's where it's very important to work on. Yeah. So the color here, if anywhere you see white, just leave it. But anywhere you see other color, any other color, just change to your brand name, your brand color, which is red. So yeah, I'll be selecting red. This OSFFF is white color. So the stroke color, change it to red. The stroke color here, change to red. Also here, the stroke color change to red. The stroke color change to red. The stroke color here also change to red. I think that's all you need to do under the on start on login activities. So we come back to the view also, the save login button. The link here, you will change it to your website link. That is your website login activities URL. So you change it to okay, that one just for intent. Also the link here, change it to your website link. Sunshine VTU slash mobile slash login. The text sign, don't need it. So the log web. Okay, let me explain this to you. Okay, you don't need much also. You can just don't really need anything here. Okay, let me explain how it works. For example, the each website login page has phone number ID, password ID, and login submit ID. Yeah, I think your version is not version 5 or version 6 of top up meet. So your login ID, your phone number ID, like the input on the login page, the ID is phone. But for the V5 and the V6 is phone number login. So I think also your version ID is what password. Same thing with this one, just ordinary phone without any login. Same with this one, just ordinary password. So the submit ID doesn't change on the old and current version of top up page. So you click on save. So login web on started. That is the validate page. So this test, it click is the effect of intent. So intent is used to move a web page from one place to another. So the request network, the dialog is just to control the going back, and the timer is used to control. For example, if a user network is not okay, so after 50 seconds, that the app can't see any network, the timer will show that we trigger the network request. Share grab. The shared preference is used to save data. And the share preference user login is used to save the user login. Whenever they click on the thumbprint and it's correct, it will automatically bring back the first input password on the login input password input space and validate. So that's how it works. So we are still in that event. Okay. The last one is recover activities. So you go back to your website, recover it page. You copy the link, the URL. I don't know why your website is so long. Just copy the link. Okay. We are not going to work on that view. We are going to work on the activities. So just let the color. You select the link and you save. Don't forget to save your project whenever you are done. So there's nothing much. We are done with the view and the event. There's nothing much to change here. There's nothing much to change here. So now let's run the app and see the result, and I'll see how the app functions. So they just like a game you can play. You can start different type of value using variables. Yes. So if you know it, you can just let it make you to learn more. You can let the disable widget. Well, so let's wait for the app to install. Then we proceed to the next phase. That's how to export an app, how to sign it and convert to AB file. So I'm waiting for the app to install. Oh, today is Friday. Wow. This life just dey run. December is here now. So I don't want to pause the video so that it won't seem like I'm doing magic. Yeah, and if you have any question concerning the core points we have viewed so far, just let me know so that I can explain better. Most time it take much time for the app to propagate, so I'm very sorry for taking your time. You just have to wait. Yeah. So I'm still waiting for the best time for the app to run. So the time is here. So the app is installing right now. So let me just find the app. You can see. Welcome to Sunshine VTU. If you click on the register, it will take them to the register page on your website. You can see you can as well go back, log in. It will take them here. So I will input my phone number on your website. You can see the login page is a native login page. So 299433309. My password on your website. I will also input that as well. You will remember I said something about phone number ID, password ID, and login button submit ID is what we use to make displays function here. The phone number ID on your website is also we also make use of it here. Same to the password ID so that it can function and connect with your website database. So now I just click on sign in. You can see. So that's how it works. You can also refresh each web page. The features is there already, just like native app. So all these features is available here, so you can just go back as well. So let's make use of the fingerprint. Now I'll just click on the fingerprint. You can see the password I inputted the first time, the app save it, and the second time it will now bring it back after the fingerprint verification is successful. So that's how it works. So if you click on forgot password, you can see it will take you to the forgot password. So the login just successful. That's why it take me back to the page. So let me just go back. So let's click on forgot password. It will take you to the forgot password. Sign in with another number. So you have to come back here and input phone number you want to sign in with another. Maybe it's a new user. You just click on create account, and easily they will create the account just like the one. So you have to work on your website. You can see this blank. You have to increase this image background height so that it can fit any skin. So this is the effect now. Here. So that's all. Now we'll be going heading to how to this app we just built now. How to sign the app and how to convert it to ABB file. So now here we are going to click on export. So sign APK. You're going to click on. We are not going to make use of a sketchware sign key. So you click on don't sign. Then you click on next. So we are exporting the project without signing. If you know how to Android Studio, you can also export the code for Android Studio, the import and make your correction. So let's export, then we reside, then we convert to ABB file. You can see it's taking much time, but we don't have choice than to wait for the best time. So let's just keep watching for the best time as we welcome it. Like I want everything to be transparent, so I'm still waiting. That's why I don't want to cut the video. So I'm still waiting for the bus time. I think it's almost done now. Yeah, it's almost done. I think I will have to cut the video short and continue after exporting the project.